A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves. Here we are, the final day. It's a glorious day and a sad day at the same time. Fran'S Space Cream, day 6. I know I had a little trouble yesterday, but it ended great. I did enjoy mint chocolate chip. I just want you to know. I went back and I thought about using it this morning, but I didn't. So I never considered it being different in a fragrance than taste. Not sure why. But anyway, here we go. Let's get into this. All right. Oh, man, I hate... Oh, I just ripped that one like I've been trying so careful not to do. Let's see if I can salvage that. I hate opening the last day. I'm excited for it and don't like it at the same time. Oh, I think this is one everyone's been waiting for. I think you got a nice glimpse there. It's not the fudge bomb pop I hoped for, but it is a bomb pop. They're calling it Sour Tower. I don't know if I've ever heard of Sour Tower. That's interesting. There we go. I am looking forward to this. Let's see what we've got. Ooh. Is that blueberry? I think there's some blueberry in there. I don't know what that other... It's definitely fruity. Definitely some blueberry. Something really... That is good. Oh, what is that? Not strawberry. Is that cherry? Raspberry? I think it's raspberry. Something else. That is... Oh, okay. Okay, I gotta get the splash on. Let's, Ooh, this is a winner. Already. Let's put a little splash on the back of the hand. There we go. Work that in a little bit. Ooh, okay, boy, that is very familiar. Oh, that is nice. All right. I'm going to get the lather whipped up. Be right back for the shave. All right, welcome back. I realized something while I was getting everything together. That's grape. That is definitely grape. There is something else in there, though. I think there's a slight citrus note, maybe. But, yeah, definitely that initial note wasn't blueberry. It was grape. And that's why I kind of was going back and forth between blueberry and raspberry. But, man, that is good. All right. Going to be using the Star Wisp today, and I'm going to use the Metaphor again. I put the purple bomb tip on. I really do like that razor. Let's get this brush wet. There we go. Let's get the brush loaded up. All right. Move that over. Glasses off, face wet. Man, it's already over. Day 6. Sad day, but y'all are probably tired of seeing me 6 days in a row already, right? Need a break. Only so much of Texan shaves you can take, right? Man, where's that water coming from? Must be down in the handle somewhere. Beautiful. Man, it smells good. Very fruity. You know, it does say sour tower, and I do feel like this would be sour just the way the scent is if I tasted it. Not going to, but there's something in there that makes it feel like it would be sour, right? Does that make sense? I don't know. When do I ever make sense? So, all right, let's get this shave going. So I remember saying yesterday that I had an ice cream truck topic for you today, and I do. What is with all the different ice cream truck music? Probably one of the most popular ones is Pop Goes the Weasel. I don't know the name of that other one. It's in my head. What is it? Well, now the tune's gone. Maybe it'll come back to me, but there's like 2 or 3 that are pretty standard, traditional. Ice cream truck tunes. And then every now and then you just hear some oddball stuff. I know we have an ice cream truck that comes by my neighborhood currently, and it's usually late too. Man, I've had it come by like at 8:30, 9 p.m. But it plays Christmas music, of all things. I've never understood that. So besides traditional, well, just list any. Let me know down below what tunes your ice cream truck played. I am kind of interested in knowing that. I'm a font of useless trivia. But particularly if it was something off the wall you wouldn't expect from an ice cream truck. I mean, that's just ice cream truck music. It's classic, you know? That's what gets you going before you even see the guy. You hear him before you see him. That was, of course, the plan on purpose. Give you time to go get your money. I don't know about you guys, but when you got to where you could hear that music, like I said, a lot of my memories was living in an apartment complex. When you heard that music, just the kids would come scrambling out. You just see them across the courtyard, coming out of every apartment and running to where the ice cream man stops. You know, freaking Pied Piper, right? No stranger danger when it comes to the ice cream man. All right. Face wet, go for the second pass. Beautiful. Nothing like a great lather. Sorry guys, really enjoying this shave. You know I do that sometimes. Sometimes the shave is just that good. Especially when you got a great fragrance like this. Jeez. This one is fun. All right, gonna get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. Oh yeah, fantastic. Great shave. Get my stash situated. There we go. As good as I can. Time for the magic. I'm looking forward to this one. You know, it's got kind of a, and I know it's a general term even in ice cream, but a tutti frutti smell, if that makes any sense to you. Let's get that going. Oh yeah, yeah. Ooh, definitely. Yeah, there's definitely some citrus in there for sure. But it's weird because it's not on the top. Usually citrus will sit there on the top because that's going to be what fades first. But that grape is really there at the beginning. There's something else there. And I just can't place it, guys. Sorry. Oh, that is so good. All right. I hope all of you that participated in Fran'S Space Cream had as much fun as I did. This was a crazy summertime blast. I am glad it's a new tradition. I'll be looking forward to it next year. I'm going to do like I did with the Christmas Advent Calendar. I'm going to do a ranking video. I don't know when I'm going to have that up. I'm about to start traveling this week. Or no, I'm coming back from traveling this week. That's what I meant to say. And I'll get it up as soon as I can. But I will rank these 1 to 6 on my favorite to least favorite, but it doesn't mean I didn't like it. I actually did enjoy all of these. You know what? Let's make a little game out of it. Guess down below which you think is my favorite and which you think is my least favorite. And we'll see how that works in the ranking. I won't read the, well, I'm going to have to read the comments because I respond to them all. But it won't influence me because it's my rankings. So find your peace and what and where you can. Happy National Ice Cream Day. We'll see you next time on A Texas Shake.